Question 421. Yield to maturity of a debt fund's portfolio is more important when the investment objective is A. Current income. B. Total return. C. Liquidity. D. All of the above. Answer A. Current income. Question 422. Compared to equity funds, income margins for debt funds are A. Narrow. B. Higher. C. The same. D. Almost nil. Answer A. Narrow. Question 423. Debt fund with long-term investments carries higher risk of capital loss. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question 424. The differentiating factor among debt funds of comparable maturity and quality is A. Gross yields. B. Costs. C. Fund age. D. Tenure of the fund manager. Answer A. Gross yields. Question 425. Distribution tax should be taken into account when computing net returns from A. Equity fund. B. Debt funds. C. Both the above. D. None of the above. Answer B. Debt funds. Question 426. All debt fund investors are exposed to risk of principal loss. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question 427. Running a money market mutual fund requires more of A. Credit analysis skills. B. Equity analysis skills. C. Patience. D. Trading skills. Answer D. Trading skills. Question 428. Which is the most important in selecting debt fund for better return? A. Past performance. B. Level of interest rates. C. Fund expertise. D. The securities in which it has invested. Answer C. Fund expertise. Question 429. Investors should be advised to avoid investing in a debt fund with A. Lower rated portfolio and higher expense ratio. B. Higher rated portfolio and lower expense ratio. C. Lower rated portfolio and lower expense ratio. D. Higher rated portfolio and higher expense ratio. Answer A. Lower rated portfolio and higher expense ratio. Question 430. An ideal money market mutual fund must have A. Lower returns. B. Lower expense ratio. C. Low quality of investment. D. All the above. Answer B. Lower expense ratio. Question 431. Circumstances that might cause an investor to change the composition of his portfolio. A. Cyclical changes in economy. B. Unforeseen economic changes affecting the portfolio's preferred sectors. C. Both the above. D. None of the above. Answer C. Both the above. Question 432. If a charitable trust approaches a distributor with an application for investment in a mutual fund, the distributor should A. Accept the application without wasting time. B. Reject the application outright. C. Refer to the offer document. D. Accept the application as a direct application. Answer C. Refer to the offer document. Question 433. An application form for investment in mutual fund is available with A. The offer document. B. The abridged annual report. C. The key information memorandum. D. A bank challan. Answer C. The key information memorandum. Question 434. An aggrieved unit holder of a mutual fund can sue A. The AMC. B. The trustees. C. The sponsor if returns have been guaranteed by them. D. None of the above. Answer C. The sponsor if returns have been guaranteed by them. Question 435. As per SEBI regulations for valuation of investments held by mutual funds, a security is considered non-traded when it A. Has not been traded for 60 days prior to valuation. B. Has not been traded for 30 days prior to valuation. C. Is not listed on any stock exchange. D. Is held by the mutual fund without buying or selling. Answer B. Has not been traded for 30 days prior to valuation. Question 436. An X mark of 100% is possible for A. A growth fund. B. An aggressive growth fund. C. An index fund. D. A balanced fund. Answer C. An index fund. Question 437. A trail commission is justified when A. An investor cancels his investment. B. The investor redeems his investment in a very short time. C. An agent invests his own money, not that of a client. D. An agent sells many mutual funds. Answer B. The investor redeems his investment in a very short time. Question 438. Of the following, which type of the fund would have a higher PE multiple in comparison to average market multiple? A. A value fund. B. A growth fund. C. An index fund. D. Could be any of the above three, one cannot generalize. Answer B. A growth fund. Question 439. Which of the following is not true as per SEBI regulations for debt funds? A. Investment in rated debt securities of a single issuer should not exceed 15% of NAV. B. Total investment in unrated debt securities of a single issuer should not exceed 25% of NAV. C. Total investment in unrated debt securities below investment grade should not exceed 25% of NAV. D. Total investment in rated debt securities below investment grade should not exceed 25% of NAV. Answer B. Total investment in unrated debt securities of a single issuer should not exceed 25% of NAV. Question 440. A money market mutual fund is most likely to invest in A. Corporate bonds. B. Equity shares. C. Government securities with maturity less than 1 year. D. All of the above. Answer C. Government securities with maturity less than 1 year. Question 441. Of the following, which would be suitable for a retiree with a modest risk appetite? A. Value fund. B. Diversified equity fund. C. Growth fund. D. Balanced fund. Answer D. Balanced fund. Question 442. A high portfolio turnover for a fund indicates A. That the fund is active. B. Higher transaction cost. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. Answer B. Higher transaction cost. Question 444. The Indian debt market. A. Is wholesale in nature. B. Comprise large players like financial institutions and banks. C. Witnesses large-scale trading in government securities. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 445. A fund that charges a load is better than a no-load fund. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question 446. An AMC can approach investors either directly or with the help of A. Individual agents. B. Banks and non-banking finance companies. C. Distribution companies. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 447. Which of the following is true for equity-linked savings scheme, ELSS? A. A tax rebate is available to investors in these schemes. B. The investment has to be locked in for 3 years. C. The minimum amount for investment is fixed. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 448. A prospective investor A. Has the same status as a unit holder of a fund. B. Can sue the AMC, trustee. C. Has no legal recourse. D. All of the above. Answer C. Has no legal recourse. Question 449. An investor can assess the performance of his mutual fund by comparing it with the performance of A. Other mutual fund of the same type. B. The stock market. C. Other financial products. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 450. Unrated securities in the portfolio of a mutual fund are not to be valued. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False.